Pakistan's former Prime Minister, the illegally incarcerated Imran Khan, has said his ongoing jail trial is in fact a military trial. Mr. Khan, who is being held at the maximum security Adiala Jail, is once again being tried behind closed doors without access to independent media or observers. It has been widely reported that the prison is effectively controlled by Pakistani army officers who report directly to the country's de facto ruler, General Asim Munir. In a message posted to his Twitter account after meeting family members on Monday, Mr. Khan said, quote, "My so-called trial in Adiala Jail is not being conducted by a judge but by an ISI Colonel who takes instructions directly from the Army Chief, Asim Munir. This is a military trial, not a civilian one," unquote. Mr. Khan and his wife are being currently tried in the State Gift Repository case. On Monday, the prosecution's prime witness, a customs officer, testified that his earlier statement against Mr. Khan was being made under duress after he was abducted and coerced by state agencies. While several witnesses have previously testified in his favor, Mr. Khan has already been sentenced in multiple jail trials. International bodies, including the United Nations and Amnesty International, have declared his arrest and detention unlawful. Mr. Khan has not been seen in public since his detention on August 5, 2023. The independent news outlet Dropsite News has once again jolted not only the military government in Pakistan but also the Commonwealth Secretariat with its latest investigative story. The Commonwealth has been accused of colluding with Pakistan's military government to cover up widespread election rigging. The Commonwealth Secretariat acts as an independent observer for its members' elections and sent a 13-person delegation to Pakistan for the February 2024 vote. But for the first time in its 70-year history, the organization failed to publish their findings, instead bizarrely praising the fairness of the vote and Pakistan's democratic process. The damning report, which until now had been suppressed, had in reality found widespread rigging and accused the government of violating quote-unquote fundamental political rights, including freedom of association, assembly and expression. While instances of political engineering, victimization of Imran Khan's PTI and rigging had been widely reported, this is for the first time an independent observer's findings have been reported on elections conducted under General Asim Munir, the ruler of Pakistan. Reacting to the report by Dropsite News, former Prime Minister Imran Khan said, quote, "The leaked Commonwealth report about the elections of February 8, 2024 has once again revealed the brazen electoral fraud used to shamelessly steal our mandate," unquote. Mr. Khan's party, according to official election documents before they were forged, secured 180 seats, enough to form government, despite Mr. Khan being in jail and the party's symbol being revoked just days before the election. After the report of the leak, the Commonwealth has said it will release their own report officially soon.